Hello everyone. Regarding the last news in crypto market, yeah, the market went down a little bit by a few percents on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently at $70,630. It went down a note, so or something you should know. Bitcoin will go down until the bottom would be somewhere around 43k. Yeah, Ethereum is at $2,122. Also, uh, Ethereum will go down another 30%, I think 30 to 40%. Yeah, we have to see how the altcoins are performing, but I I strongly suggest to not buy any altcoins now because it's a lot of volatility in this bear market season. It's a lot of volatility, and altcoins are not secure at all, in my opinion. You can go into Ethereum and Bitcoin. That could be a good option, but you have to assume, you have to know that Bitcoin and Ethereum can go lower. Of course, it's a good price now. Maybe in 5, 6, 7 months will be double this price. But until then, you have to assume, you have to know that in the next couple of months, Bitcoin and Ethereum can have a lower bottom, and it's not so pleasant. It's not pleasant when you buy at the price to make money and it goes down like 30%. Even if after a few months it goes back up. But the biggest challenge for this kind of situation is the time. So you have to you have to know your time limits in which you want to make money, because history teaches us that these bear markets in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on can last over a year long. We can look back in 2022 what happened, and how much time went on until Bitcoin came back again, and all the market came back again. Uh, you have to know that this kind of trade, this kind of crypto trade, it's for the long time period frame. Short trade, day trading, it's I have told this a lot of times and I will tell it again, it's risky. So you can make money, of course you can make a lot of money in the growing pattern, but you have to know that that growing pattern will also end. So that being said, now it's not a growing pattern, now it's a bearish pattern, and even maybe the growth doesn't happen at all. A few days ago, we were at 50, around 60,000 for Bitcoin. It's it's a lot of volatility, and you have to be patient. That's the word that describes this strategy that you can make money on. You have to be patient with Bitcoin. You have to be patient with Ethereum, and of course you can make money in time. You can make a lot of money in time, but you just have to be patient and to know that patience is the key here in this kind of pattern that we are dealing with now. Patience is the key that you can make money on the long term. So that being said, you that's the number one strategy. That's the best strategy you can apply in this business or industry, or call it how you want. You have to be patient. You have to invest when you uh, really know you can get in and it's a good price for you, and you have to know your time frame in which you want to invest, because if you know your time frame, you're patient, that will reward you and you will make money in the end. I don't I'm not for day trading, um, only if you have some kind of luck, and after you bought it went up 20% in a couple of days. You had you just were there when the growth period was happening, and you can really sell really fast. That's luck, that's pure luck, and you can have that in crypto. It happens, but the best strategy is to have a time frame in your mind, to have patience, and to invest in the long term. That's the key here in crypto, and will help you in the future to really make money on. Okay, okay. Of course, the best investments here is Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's the Ethereum. It's really secure as far as I know, and its history. Also, Bitcoin. That's the primary coins you of course should invest in. And now, even though they really have a really good price again, they can go lower, and after that we don't know when, but they will grow back up again. But also we should apply the time frame strategy on the long term and have patience. So if this helped you, stay tuned, subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see again at another episode with